things, sir.
Always doing things.
Yeah,
All right.
no, I was just.
You're busy. I'm
Yeah, I'm a busy guy, you know.
So we're gonna sign your contract.
Yeah, I will sign my contract.
Okay.
People, let me tell you one. I just came off the show in Atlanta, and Joe buy my tickets. He said, enough you gotta come to Jamaica and sign your contract.
Get it done.
I just get it done, okay?
We either can do or no can do.
Yes. So we gotta get it done.
Yeah.
I'm done. Get it done. I Joe.
Yeah.
And who is the boss?
Yeah, let's go.
This is the guy.
Yeah, it's all right.
You know this guy?
We don't have a long time, you know. We have a time.
Yeah, can I know I'm coming here?
Yes. Okay, you sign it. Okay, he's the king. We're going to crown him. And I like what he said the other day. You know, he said the other day, he said, you know, kings come and go, you know. I mean, what happened to King Tut or Nebuchadnezzar?
Yes, kings come and go. And Joe, you're the perfect person. You're the right man for the job.
Yeah.
No, it's the truth.
Yeah, well.
No, I just said, you grown.
It'll be colorful for sure.
Listen, we're gonna leave it for Sumfest.
Yes.
So make sure it's there.
Yeah.
Joe, Sumfest will be crowning Vybz Kartel officially the king of dancehall.
Someone's gonna crown him. All right, cool.